Never worry about frozen water again. Fitinhot Automatic Circulating Heating Poultry Water Kit. Provide clean and warm water to your poultry. For any size water tank, our kit is adaptable to fit any size water tank, ensuring your poultry always have access to clean water. 12 wattage pump plus 12 wattage heating rod. With our kit, your feather friends will have continuous access to water, no matter how freezing it gets. Installation steps. Use the included 8.5mm drill bit to drill holes for each water pipe and install the drinking fountain. Then assemble the joints and water pipe kit. Use the included 20mm drill bit to drill holes in the water tank. Install the metal joint on the water tank and install the water pump. After using the plastic connector to connect the water pipe, plug in the power and you can use it. Please note that all pacifier switches should be aligned and installed uniformly downwards, so that your feather friends can drink better.